Okay, so Harris, I know you don't have a crystal ball, but looking ahead over the next 5 to 10 years in our industry, commercial real estate, what really excites you the most about our industry, either specific to Charlotte or at a more broad macro level?
Well, I think Charlotte is clearly one of the top investment target markets in the country, which is fantastic. Great tailwind for our city and our region, so we're fortunate to be in this market. In terms of more global trends, I think one thing there's a lot of attention to is the AI dynamic, how that plays out. Data centers is a big topic right now. Potentially self-driving cars, how that plays out, parking needs, that sort of thing. Environmental, that's another big one. A lot of talk about insurance premiums increasing, coastal markets that may be affected, in particular there. Democratization of equity, I think, is another one that I'm hearing a lot of people talk about, dropping the accredited investor requirements to get into real estate private equity, and then potentially another rollout of the Opportunity Zone program. We may see another round of that and a little bit more rural focused, where I think historically some areas got lucky to be included, and there have been some investors who've really benefited from that, potentially in areas that we're going to see that investment regardless of whether there were substantial tax benefits to it or not.
Yeah, those are all great points. It's really interesting because AI in some ways feels like it's changing so fast, but at the same time hasn't really impacted our industry yet, but it feels like it's happening whether we like it or not.
That's true. I mean, I think real estate is, in a lot of ways, is a slow-moving industry compared to tech and others. So, I think we're seeing it play out in different ways, and maybe not as much yet on the ground in how individual brokers or investors are really running their day-to-day business.